Hello, let's see about the color zone. It is actually located inside colors, then settings. So here is the color zone. As you can see, we have our default primary, secondary, and the rest. So the color zone is actually those sections that we see in the customizer. We can quickly review one. So let's open this design, for example. So when you go on the color, those one that we have here, body, secondary, they are the one that we call color zone, body, secondary, accent, accent 2, and accent 3. The best part with color zone is that they only show up when it is available on the product or design. So it is either assigned to SVG, meaning it is the design, or the 3D, meaning those elements are available on the product that you have uploaded here. So to do a new one, really simple, you just have to click on add a zone. So here you can add any new zone that you want. So for example, that if you have a zone on a SVG file, let's open Illustrator. And we have a name for this zone, for example. Let's say it is going to be here. We'll change a bit its form. Great. So this is our zone. And we want to give to it a custom name. So I will name it, for example, line. So now, if you want to edit this one inside configure and be able to change its name, the way to do it is just to now export this, export as SVG. This is really important. So you have to export as SVG and you use artboard. So I will do it this way. So now our design has been exported. Now we need to add it to the design. So I will navigate to configure. Then we need to add it to the color zone. So here is the name. So it has been named line. So we'll keep the same. So we will keep the same value on the rest of the elements. Line here. So if you need to add any aliases, this is where you can do. So I will keep the same and name it line here as well. So our design is actually on the SVG file. So we keep the SVG. If you have a default color for it, you can select any in this list. And then here you can choose any color that you want to be available for this color zone. If it's only two, you can select 2 or 3 or more. And if you want, you can clear all, and it's by default on all colors. Then important, click on save zone. Now this zone is available. We will now import our design, add design. So a name for our design, we'll name it line design. Then hit create. Here we will need to import the SVG and also a preview for it. So for the SVG, we just have done it. So here it is. I will import it here. Any preview for now, we will just make a screenshot of this one. Let me make it inside. Okay, great. And here I will import my preview. I have saved it here. Great. So as you can see, it just showed. So now we can view this design as it is available on all products. So I will go on any product here, for example, and open this one. Then we will have our design that we have added here, and it's named line. We have the default color that we have added on it. When we go, we will see the line that is available here with the color that have been set to it. So this is the way to add a custom color zone inside configure. Thank you.